What do you see at the beach?
I see seashells.
What do you use to draw?
I use crayons.
What animal has a long neck?
A giraffe has a long neck.
Why do you brush your teeth?
To keep them clean and shiny.
Who flies an airplane?
A pilot flies an airplane.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at night.
Why do you eat fruits?
Because they are healthy and tasty.
Where do you see the stars?
I see the stars in the sky at night.
Where do you go to play with your friends?
I go to the park.
What do you use to brush your teeth?
I use a toothbrush.
What do you drink when it's hot outside?
I drink water.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs.
What do you see on a playground?
I see a slide.
How do you feel when you're happy?
I smile and laugh.
Where do fish live?
Fish live in the water.
Who helps you when you're sick?
A doctor helps me.
Who teaches you new things?
My teacher teaches me.
Where do you keep your toys?
I keep them in a toy box.
How do you feel when it rains?
I feel happy because I can jump in puddles.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
When do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
How is the weather today?
It's sunny and warm.
Where do birds live?
Birds live in trees.
What color is the sky during the day?
The sky is blue.
What do you do when you're hungry?
I eat some food.
What do you wear when it rains?
I wear a raincoat and use an umbrella.
Where do you put your books?
I put them on the shelf.
What do you use to eat soup?
I use a spoon.
What do you see on a farm?
I see cows, chickens, and sheep.